This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, you're just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. Mr Rosen's here. Come on. Wheelie bag. Mr Rosen!
Hello, Mr Rosen.
Hello.
Come in, Topsy and Tim, let Mr Rosen in.
Mr Rosen comes every week to get a lift to the shops in a helpful driver's minibus. Please move your wheelie bag, Mr Rosen.
There you go, then.
Thank you. That way. Helpful Drivers has 6 minibuses and it's run by our dad. Beep, beep. When he comes, Mr Rosen always brings his wheelie bag to carry his shopping in. We love playing with it.
Topsy, could you park it for me just here, please? I mustn't forget to take it with me when the minibus arrives. Thank you.
Beep. Reversing.
The driver's on its way for you. Would it be easier, Mr Rosen, if the driver picked you up from the home in future?
No, I like to walk down the road. And it's always good to see you, Topsy. And Tim.
Oh, sorry.
I mustn't forget to take it with me.
Hello?
Okay, come on.
Yes, could you hold on 1 minute for me, please?
Who is it?
It's the estate agent, darling. I'm sorry, I've got to take this. Okay.
So, I saw the for sale sign up in your garden. Your mum and dad are thinking of moving you all to a new house, are they?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Look,
Oh,
they say we're going to move to this one.
Westview Avenue. I know it. Looks nice. You like your new house?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
It's got that red door there.
And what about you, Tim? What do you like about the new house?
It's got a big garden. We're going to get twin swings.
Well, it sounds like the perfect house for you all, then.
And look, this is the inside of it.
Yes.
It's a bird's eye view. That's what Mummy told us.
I used to make houses, you know.
Why?
I was an architect. Architects design and build houses. I made big houses and small houses and houses with red doors and with blue doors, all different kinds.
What do you have to do to make a house?
Well, first you make a model to help you. Can I use that big old cardboard box to show you?
Yes.
Right. Just a minute. Let's see. Now, shall we turn this into a house?
Yes, please.
Right. Now, first I make a chair here.
Mr Rosen starts making us a house.
And when we've made that,
He's really clever.
cut it into.
And we can go in.
I'll have a... Yes, you can go in.
Mr Rosen has made us a house with 4 rooms out of the big box. We put all the things in it that you need in a house.
And what are you making, Tim?
A sofa for our toys to sit on.
Wonderful.
Your minibus is here, Mr Rosen.
Oh, right then. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye, Tim. I'm off into town.
Bye.
Can't wait to see the house all finished when I get back.
Yes.
Thanks, Mr Rosen. Bye. Wow, you architects must be getting thirsty. Would you like some juice?
Yes, please.
Topsy, I'm pouring juice.
I really like our house. And me. But then... Topsy! Mr Rosen's wheelie bag! He left it behind. Mr Rosen needs his wheelie bag to carry all his shopping inside. Oh no! He's gone! Oh. We've got to get it to him. Mummy! Mr Rosen's forgotten his wheelie bag!
Oh dear. Well, don't worry. You can call Dad's office. Come on.
Why?
Someone will call Mr Rosen's driver, who will drive back and pick up the wheelie bag.
OK.
There we go. Right. Can you push that button for me? And stand next to Tim so he can hear as well. And remember, speak very clearly. OK.
Hey, Mummy.
Hello, helpful drivers.
Hello, it's Topsy and Tim.
Hello, Topsy and Tim.
Mr Rosen has left his wheelie bag at our house. He's in one of your minibuses.
Ah, OK. I'll just phone the driver. Hold the line.
Hello, Neil here. Is that Topsy and Tim?
Yes.
What's all this about a wheelie bag, then?
Mr Rosen's forgotten his wheelie bag at our house.
Oh, dear. I'll let Mr Rosen know right away.
Please may you come back and get it for him?
Will do. We're on our way.
Mind the step, Topsy. Good girl.
Come on, Tim. The minibus will be here soon. I'm coming, Topsy.
If you wait at the bottom of the path, you'll see it come round the corner.
As we are waiting, our next-door neighbour, Mr Fishwick, walks past.
Hello, Topsy and Tim.
Hello, Mr Fishwick.
What are you doing?
We're helping our friend, Mr Rosen. Look, Topsy, there he is.
Thank you, Topsy and Tim. Now I'll be able to carry all my shopping. How silly of me to leave my wheelie bag behind. Bye.
Bye.
Well done, come on. You've done a really great job on your little house, Topsy and Tim. Oh, and I know someone who'll like to see it. Wanna come see who's at the door?
Mr Rosen!
Oh,
Mr
hello.
Rosen!
Oh, just look at all this shopping. Oh, good job I had my wheelie bag to carry it. Oh, thank you. And I've managed to put something else into it. Ta-da!
Thanks!
Paint the walls of your wonderful house. And don't forget the red front door, Topsy.
How kind.
Right there.
What do you say, Topsy and Tim?
Thank you, Mr Rosen. And that's when Mr Rosen said, I will miss you when you move house.
I will miss you when you move house, Topsy and Tim.
We'll miss you as well, Mr Rosen. We like it when you come to our house.
Helpful drivers will still be taking you to the shops once a week, Mr Rosen. And you can ask the driver to take you to our new house anytime you like.
Well, that's good then. It'll be exciting to see your new home when you move.
You can come round lots.
Oh, thank you.
All the time.
Thank you. Now, get to painting.
All right, aprons on first, twins.
Oh.
Go, Tim.
And that's it, Mummy. Was that? Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Mr Rosen came to visit us. But can you remember what he left behind when he went shopping? Was it his coat? Or was it his wheelie bag? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is his wheelie bag. Watch this. Topsy! Mr Rosen's wheelie bag! He left Mr Rosen needs his wheelie bag to carry all his shopping inside. Oh no! He's gone! Oh, we've got to get it to him. Mummy! Mr Rosen's forgotten his wheelie bag!
Oh dear. Don't worry, you can call Dad's office. Come on.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play day after day.